welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of Uthandwa Tembu, then you've probably seen the drama unfold between Macele, the first wife, and the other wives. In the latest episode, things hit a boiling point and Macele's frustrations really come to the surface, along with some serious power struggles in the family. If you haven't watched yet, don't worry, I'm here to break it down for all of you. But before we dive into the drama, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So let's talk about what went down. Macele, the first wife, has always held a special position in Musa Mseleko's life. But this episode really shows the pressure she's been under. As the first wife, Macele feels like she's carrying a heavy burden and has had to deal with a lot of frustrations about the growing dynamic in the family. And in the latest episode, all that pressure boiled over. From the very beginning of the episode, we see Macele struggling to deal with the emotions. The other wives, especially Mayeni, has been pushing boundaries in terms of what they expect from the family dynamic. But instead of approaching things calmly, Macele reacts by trying to assert control over everyone, especially the other wives. One of the first things we see in this episode is Macele trying to establish dominance over the other wives, especially Mayeni. She begins to take out her frustrations by telling the other wives what they can and can't do, and it's clear she's not holding back. She wants to remind them that as the first wife, should be the one making the major decisions. Now, the issue here is that Macele's approach to leadership isn't sitting well with the other wives. Mayeni, in particular, starts to get frustrated with Macele's behavior. She feels that Macele is overstepping her boundaries and trying to control everyone's move. And honestly, who can blame her? Macele has always been a force to be reckoned with, but in this episode, it goes too far. During heated conversation between Macele and Mayeni, things get pretty intense. Macele accuses Mayeni of not respecting her position as the first wife and tries to remind her that she's the one Musa relies on for guidance. But Mayeni, who's no stranger to standing her ground, pushes back. She doesn't think Macele should have the right to control everyone's lives just because she's been around longer, which could be true. So here is where the situation gets more interesting. Musa, who's always had a hand in managing the dynamics between his wife, is fully backing Macele. It's clear that Musa supports her decision to take charge and enforce order in the family, even if it means clashing with the other wives. Musa, who's never shy about showing support for Macele, begs her in front of the other wives. He tells them that Macele's position as the first wife is crucial and they should respect that. While it's clear that Musa wants peace and harmony, his support of Macele creates more tension, especially with the other three wives who feel like their voices aren't being heard. And that's really where the conflict lies. Macele, feeling the weight of her role as the first wife, is trying to assert herself by controlling the family dynamics. However, her behavior is causing a rift. Mayeni and the other wives don't feel like they have a say in important matters, and they are beginning to push back against Macele's attempt to dominate every conversation. Meanwhile, we see the other wives, including Mayeni, trying to stand up for themselves. They express that they don't appreciate Macele's heavy-handed approach and that they want to be heard and respected as equal partners in the family. The wives begin to grow more distant from Macele as he attempts to control them, pushes them further away. Sorry about the glitch. But the question is, why is Musa supporting Macele so much? Is it because he feels she's the pillar of the family, or does he simply want to keep the peace in his own way? Macele, as the first wife, carries a lot of weight, but her attempt to control the situation might not be the answer. It's clear that Musa's backing her up only adds more fuel to the fire. As the episode progresses, we can see that Macele's frustrations aren't just with the other wives, they're deeper than that. She feels like no one truly understands the challenges she faces as the first wife. She's constantly trying to prove that she's in control, but her approach is alienating the very people she's supposed to be leading. So, what does that mean for the future of Musamseleko's polygamous family? Well, it's clear that Macele's role as the first wife is being challenged, and now and how she handles the situation will determine the dynamics of the family going forward. Will Macele be able to hold on to a position, or will the other wives, especially Mayeni, push back even harder? We'll have to keep watching to find out. What do you think? Do you agree with Macele's need to assert control, or is she taking things too far? How do you feel about Musa's support for her? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this drama-filled episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, share this with your friends who watch Uthandwa Nesithembu, and of course, subscribe for more updates. I'll be back soon with more drama-filled recaps. Stay tuned. Until next time, bye.